Experience comfort redefined with Scanfrost Air Conditioner. Engineered for efficiency, elegance, and durability. Scanfrost Air Conditioners are designed to keep you perfectly comfortable, whether it's the heat of the summer or the chill of Harmattan. Let's take a look at its amazing features.
Scanfrost offers a wide range of split and floor standing air conditioners, inverter and low voltage models available in various horsepowers to suit your space and style. Outstanding features: 100% copper coil condenser that ensures superior heat exchange, improved durability, and longer lifespan. Low voltage operation: it is designed to perform efficiently even with low or fluctuating voltage supply. Auto restart function: it automatically resumes operation with previous settings after a power cut. Turbo cool and rapid cooling mode, which allows faster cooling the moment you switch it on. Sleep mode and quiet operation. This feature allows you to experience whisper quiet comfort for peaceful nights. Anti-rust durable built to withstand humid or coastal environment. Also, it is equipped with dust and antibacterial filters for cleaner, healthier air. Stylish design: aesthetic design that blends beautifully with modern interiors. Inverter technology on selected models saves up to 74% energy while maintaining optimum performance. All these are wrapped in a 5-year warranty and reliable after-sales service.
From the warmth of family moments to the cool calm of peaceful nights, Scanfrost Air Conditioners keeps you comfortable through every season. Scanfrost keeps on keeping on.